Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satil here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix Wi-Fi driver problems in Windows 10. Go to the start menu and select right click and click on device manager, or the second option is go to the start menu and type device manager and hit enter. In this new screen you locate your network adapter. Go to network adapters, scroll down, and you can locate your model. In this case is Realtek WLAN adapter. Right click and select update driver and select the first option, search automatically for drivers, one click. If you receive a wizard or setup, click on next, install, and you can receive this message: the best drivers for your device already installed. Repeat this process in all network adapters. Right click and select update driver, select the first option, search automatically for drivers, and next, install. Click on close and close. To apply the change, restart your computer, go to the start menu, select the power off button and click on restart. Wait a moment. Log in your desktop. And your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope to help you in this tutorial and see you in the next video. Goodbye.